You're watching EDS TV.
Yep,
I'll
will do.
put the Slack message in chat. Thank you.
Thanks, David.
Yo, I have you on camera. I'm gonna call the police right now. Okay, call it. I am.
The Toyota driver claimed it was the camera's fault, but he actually got out and looked at it with his hands like he was actually wondering what happened. Just wow. It looks like they were in the left lane at the very start and tried to get over 4 lanes while also cutting off the red car next to the camera before they even did the brake check. What an absolute dunce.
Prices fell on the news, Marketplace's Nova Sapo explained. The latest announcement from OPEC Plus essentially maintains the status quo through March. So far, that has failed to significantly even though the alliance accounts for about...
This is wrong on so many levels. There was absolutely no need to turn right from the farthest lane, no turn signal, and clearly no mirror check. That bus could have manipulated that turn very easily. The idiot came from the shopping center on the right, which is right turn exit only and a median to prevent left turns, not to mention a line of cars. It's entirely possible the driver couldn't see them. Might not be an idiot. The douche crossing in the middle of the road in the rain, indoor clothes, however, is. Whoa, they got lucky. That may have ended so poorly if somebody was driving downhill in the opposite direction. I'm guessing the driver was either drunk or tired. These clowns always seem to get away with it. I love how all the cars clear a path at the same time to let the cop through. While it can be frustrating when someone stops at a yellow when you expected them to proceed, it's also the driver's responsibility to stay alert and drive defensively. What the Toyota did was suboptimal, but it's not criminally dangerous.
On the corners of project assemblies, me I was starting to envy. Wanna be on the top where it's plenty. Wanna be in a spotlight where every bitch want me like.
People's brains turn into mush when it rains. The idiot should have turned off quicker, but I've learned you gotta give some idiots some extra space.
Revoke to the TOP News.
DC traffic deaths reach a somber milestone, a high mark not seen in more than 15 years. The number of traffic deaths in the city.
The Nissan driver was impatient and aggressively stupid. Personally, I would have stayed far left until I knew it was clear, but sometimes you're just hoping and assuming that everyone on the road is a reasonable and sensible person. Affordable auto and truck parts sure has an unorthodox way of drumming up business. Just shortly after this, they scooped up the small truck with their forklift.
Holy.
He probably did one of those stupid camber mods. Great stance, but can't take a corner. I need to know what kind of dash cam this is because this is by far among the worst quality videos I've seen. Perhaps the camera has a VHS recorder instead of a dashcam. It's like they saw a roundabout for the first time in their life. I'm legit at a loss for words for how bad this is. The pickup driver compounded the error by applying the brakes. The correct response is to let up on the accelerator, not apply the brakes. This is gold. I hope they were embarrassed and ashamed. I would have pulled all the way up and let them reverse behind me. If anyone can decipher the plates, please give it a go in the comment section. It's the car in front of the white BMW. The camera is giving up his right-of-way, which can lead to a collision. Being nice is not typically smart when driving, but being predictable is. If you look closely, you can see there is gray between the wheels and the grass, meaning the car never left the road, and the mailbox was hanging over the road. Since the car had the right-of-way, this is clearly the fault of the mailbox.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.